What's up, family? It's your big bro, KO. Hey, listen, when I first started my trucking business, I had zero experience. I didn't even know how to file for my authority. I didn't understand insurance. I didn't even know how to book my first load. But what I did have was a vision, a mentor, and a hunger to change my life. If you sitting on your CDLs, are you just tired of working for somebody else? I'm gonna show you how I went from confused to contracts and how you can too. My journey started with YouTube videos, late night readings. I found a mentor to help guide me step by step. I formed my LLC, filed for my MC and DOT number, and I got insured. I booked my first load without even knowing what I was doing. Since then, I built a profitable trucking company, launched a successful trucking program, and created my CDL to CEO brand so I can help teach others how to skip the mistakes that I made. If I had to do it all over again, this is how I would do it step by step. Number one, I would get a mentor. A mentor is great because a mentor helps you to move confidently. So that's the first thing I would do, is get a mentor. They'll show you step by step and they'll help you to move with confidence. Number two, what I would do is form my business, right? And how I would form my business? It's gonna be an LLC and it's gonna be EIN. So remember, the LLC and the EIN. Number three, I would get my authority. That's your BOC3, that's your insurance, that's your MC, and that's your DOT number. It don't take long to do this. 1 or 2 days, you can do it. Number four, get equipment. Start lean. Go with your budget. I got a used truck, and I built from there. Book your loads. You got load board, you got direct customers, you got brokers, or you got government contracts. I teach all three in my program. Stay smart. Save for repairs. Track your expenses. Track your revenue. Make sure you save your money. I'm not here just to motivate you. I'm here to give you the game. That's why I built the How to Start and Build a Six-Figure Trucking Company coaching program. For $297, you get access to the same blueprint I used to go from no experience to running my own trucking company. If you're serious about launching your trucking business, click the link below in the description and join my coaching program. You don't have to figure this out alone. I already did it for you. And I'll help you do the same.